A week before Russia's Max 2021 air show in Moscow, Russia's United Aircraft Corporation has released a teaser video of a new fighter jet, which shows pilots from 4 nations including the United Arab Emirates, India, Vietnam and Argentina, that are shown waiting for the new aircraft. The aircraft's layout is shown twice in the 35-second video, first over a desert terrain, and second when it is seen flying over a water body. The layout of the aircraft resembles the MiG-35 in its wing design, but it appeared to have a single-engine exhaust, giving rise to speculation that it could be a lightweight single-engine stealth fighter. Russia has merged the Sukhoi Corporation and MiG Corporation into one facility, and experts have said that the Sukhoi concept fighter is a derivative of the MiG LMFS concept fighter jet, and it is assumed that the new Russian stealth fighter will be manufactured by Sukhoi Corporation. We had reported in May this year that Sukhoi Design Bureau is developing a single-engine stealth fighter that features super maneuverability and improved takeoff and landing performance due to thrust vector control capability, and Rostov Corporation had already invited India for its joint development. Hindustan Aeronautics and General Electric have completed negotiations to sign a $700 million deal for 100 F-404 engines that will power the 83 Tejas Mark 1A light combat aircraft, and officials have said that the order will be placed very shortly, making it the biggest defense deal with the US since the purchase of 24 MH-60 and 6 Apache helicopters in February 2020. The 7 Rafale fighters meant for the 2nd Squadron are currently at the Airbase Airbase, and they would start ferrying to the Hasimara Airbase in West Bengal in the next few days, and the 2nd Rafale Squadron will be operational by 26 July. The 2nd Rafale Squadron would be functioning with the Su-30 squadrons already deployed in the eastern sector in significant numbers. Hindustan Aeronautics has started preparations for adding the Dhruvastra helicopter-launched anti-tank guided missile on the light combat helicopter, and the 4 km range missile will be tested from the light combat helicopter in early 2022. The Dhruvastra has already been tested from the Rudu Advanced Light Helicopter in February 2021, during which it demonstrated its capabilities in minimum and maximum range, indirect hit mode, as well as top attack mode against a static and moving target. If the new DRDO developed D4 anti-drone technology is approved by the military commanders, the security agencies will go for the installation of the new anti-drone equipments in very limited manner, as the system is quite expensive at 22 crore rupees per unit. Security agencies are also in the process of identifying strategically important sites within the distance of 15 to 20 kilometers from the line of control and international border for the installation of the D4 anti-drone system. The navies of India and Maldives have participated in the 4th edition of joint bilateral exercise, and Maldives have made a statement that it is India and not China, which will serve as the net security provider of Maldives. The Commanding-in-Chief of the Southern Naval Command of the Indian Navy has met with the Maldives Foreign Affairs Minister, and they also discussed in detail the emerging security threats in the region.